Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous class we had completed exercise 4a. Now in today's class, let's start with the exercise 4b. In this exercise, you will learn how you can add or subtract rational numbers. So let's start with the question number 1. Question number 1 is add the following rational numbers. They have given minus 4 upon 11 and 7 upon 11. Minus 4 upon 11 is with the sign, so I am enclosing it into the bracket and I am adding this with the 7 upon 11. Now open the bracket. Minus 4 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11. As denominators are same, so no need to make them equal because they are already equal. Simply write the numerators minus 4 plus 7. Now if you have observed, these two numerators have different signs. It means these will be subtracted. Subtract them. 7 minus 4 is 3 and sign will be of greater numeral. Which is the greater numeral? 7 and its sign is plus. So this will be of plus sign upon 11. So this is your answer 3 upon 11. Next part, add minus 2 upon 9. Add it with minus 4 upon 9. Right? Now open the bracket. Minus 2 upon 9 plus minus 4 upon 9. As denominators are same, so no need to make them equal because they are already equal. Write the numerators minus 2, minus 4. Sign of both the numerators are same, so these will be added. 4 plus 2, 6 and sign will be of greater numeral. Which is the greater numeral? 4 and its sign is minus. So this is minus 6 upon 9. Now you can see here this numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 3. So cut them. 3 2s are 6 of minus sign. 3 3s are 9. So what is your answer? Minus 2 upon 3. This is your answer. Next fourth part is minus 8 upon minus 17. Add it with 10 upon minus 17. Now open the bracket. This first part, this numerator and this denominator both have negative signs. So we can cancel out. This is equals to 8 upon 17. So write here 8 upon 17. Right? Now plus bracket 10 upon minus 17 can also be written as minus 10 upon 17. So write here minus 10 upon 17. Now open these brackets. 8 upon 17 plus minus 10 upon 17. Denominators are same, so write the denominator once 17 and then write the numerator 8 minus 10. In the numerator both the numbers have different signs, so these will be subtracted. 10 minus 8 is 2 and sign will be of greater numeral which is minus here, so write minus sign upon 17. So the answer is minus 2 upon 17. Next part is 13 upon minus 38. Add it with minus 21 upon 38. Right? This 13 upon minus 38 can also be written as minus 13 upon 38. Right? So write it here minus 13 upon 38. Now open this bracket. Plus minus 21 upon 38. Denominators are same. So write the denominator once 38. Write minus 13 minus 21. Clear? Both these numerators have same sign. So add them. 13 plus 21 is 34. Sign will be of greater numeral which is minus upon 38. Now this numerator and this denominator both are even numbers, so they are divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 is remaining, 2 sevens are 14 of minus sign. 2 ones are 2, 1 is remaining, 2 nines are 18. So this is minus 17 upon 19. This is your answer. Next question, question number 2. Again they are asking to add these two. Minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 6. Open the bracket. Minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 6. Denominators are different now, so you will make them equal by taking LCM of these denominators. Take the LCM. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, by 3, 3 ones are 3. So the LCM is 3 twos are 6. So you will make the denominators 6. So to make this 2 6, with which number you will multiply it? 2 threes are 6. So multiply this also by 3. This is already 6. No need to multiply with any number. So right here minus 1 multiply 3 plus 1. Solve it. 3 ones are 3 of minus sign plus 1 upon 6. Both these numerators have different sign, so these will be subtracted. 3 minus 1 is 2. Sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus upon 6. This numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 2, so cut them. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. This is of minus sign, so what you are getting? Minus 1 upon 3. So this is your answer. Next part is 1 upon 5 plus, you want to add 4 upon minus 7. Students, if you have observed, some fractions I am enclosing in the bracket and some I am not enclosing. What is the reason behind it? The rationals having sign, जिन rational numbers में already sign given है, I am enclosing those rational numbers in the bracket to avoid mistakes. Clear? Now write it. 1 upon 5 plus 4 upon minus 7 can be written as minus 4 upon 7. Clear? So write it minus 4 upon 7, because in standard form in denominator we don't write negative value. Clear? So now open the bracket. 1 upon 5 plus minus 4 upon 7. Denominators are different, so you will take the LCM of these denominators. As denominators are prime numbers, so the LCM will be 5 sevens are 35. Clear? Now to make this 5 35, with which number you will multiply it? 5 sevens are, so multiply this also by 7. To make this 7 35, you will multiply it by 5. 7 5s are 35, so multiply this also by 5. So right here 1 multiply 7 minus 4 multiply 5. Now solve it. 7 ones are 7 minus 5 fours are 20 upon 35. Both the numerators have different signs, so values will be subtracted. 20 minus 7 is 13 of minus sign, because greater numeral have minus sign, upon 35. This is your answer, minus 13 upon 35. Next question. Again, this 5 upon minus 12 can be written as minus 5 upon 12. Try to avoid writing minus sign in denominator. Plus 7 upon minus 9 can be written as minus 7 upon 9. Now open the bracket. Minus 5 upon 12 plus minus 7 upon 9. Denominators are different, so take the LCM of these denominators. 12 and 9. 2 6 are 12, 9 as it is. 2 3s are 6, 9 as it is. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 and 1 as it is. So the LCM is 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. LCM is 36. So you will make the denominator 36. To make this denominator 36, with which number you will multiply it? By 3. So multiply the numerator also by 3. 9 4s are 36. So multiply these two by the 4. Right? Now this becomes minus 5 multiply 3 minus 7 multiply 4. Solve it. 5 3s are 15 of minus sign minus 7 4s are 28 of minus sign upon 36. These two numerator have same sign. So these will be added. Add them. 15 plus 28 is 43. Sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus upon 36. So try to write 36 ones are 36. Subtract 13 minus 6 is 7. So this can be written as 1. Denominator will remain same and the numerator will be 7 and this will be of minus sign. Right? So this is minus 1 whole 7 upon 36. This is your answer. Next part, 11 upon minus 18. This can be written as minus 11 upon 18 plus 7 upon 27. Open the bracket. Minus 11 upon 18 plus 7 upon 27. Denominators are different. So take the LCM of these denominators, 18 and 27. By 2, 2 9s are 18, 27 as it is. By 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again by 3, 3 1s are 3. So the LCM is 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54. LCM is 54, so you will make the denominator 54. To make this 1854, you will multiply this 18 by the 3. 18 3s are 54. So multiply this numerator also by 3. Right? To make this 2754, you will multiply it by 2. So multiply this numerator also by 2. Clear? So it becomes minus 11 multiply 3 plus 7 multiply 2. This is equals to 11 3s are 33 of minus sign plus 7 2s are 14 upon 54. In the numerator, sign of both the numbers are different. So these will be subtracted. 33 minus 14 is 19. And sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus upon 54. Clear? So this is your answer. Next question is question number 3. Evaluate. They have given 3 rational numbers here and different operations are also given and they are asking us to evaluate. Right? So firstly, this is minus 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 5 upon 8. As you can observe, in all these rational numbers, denominators are same. So no need to write them again and again. Just write the 8, the denominator once. Write the numerator minus 3 plus 1 plus 5. Right? Now this 1 and this 5 have same sign. So we will add them. 5 plus 1, 6. And this 3 has different signs. So we will subtract 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is equals to 3 upon 8. This is your answer. Next part, now in all these rational numbers we have different denominators. So take the LCM of these denominators, 2, 3, 5. All the denominators are prime numbers, so you can directly find it, but still I am calculating 3 as it is, 5 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 5 as it is, 5 1s are 5. When the denominators are prime numbers and you are taking the LCM of prime numbers, no need to calculate, simply multiply them. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 30. So the LCM is 30. Clear? So you will make the denominator 30. To make this 2 30, with which number you will multiply it? 15 2s are 30. So multiply this numerator also by 15. Minus 1 multiply 15. plus 3 tens are 30. So multiply numerator also by 10. 2 multiply 10 plus 6 5s are 30. So multiply this numerator also by 6. 4 multiply 6. So what it becomes? 15 ones are 15 of minus sign plus 10 twos are 20 of plus sign. 4 6 are 24 upon 30. These are of same sign. So firstly add these two. 20 plus 24 is 44. And this is of different sign, minus sign. So this will be subtracted, minus 15. So what you are getting now? You are getting 29. Clear? So this is 29 of plus sign upon 30. This is your answer. Next is 8 plus. 8 can be written as 8 upon 1. Right? Plus minus minus 5 upon 6. Plus this is the mixed fraction, or you can say rational number. This can be written in improper. So write it. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6 upon 5. Denominators are different. So you will take the LCM of these denominators. When you will take the LCM of these denominators, you will get 30. To make this 130, with which number you will multiply? 30, of course, right? So multiply the numerator also by 30. 8 multiply 30 minus 6 5s are 30. So multiply this denominator and numerator by 5. 5 multiply 5 plus 5 6 are 30. So multiply this numerator and denominator both by 6. 6 multiply 6. So what it becomes? It becomes 8 3s are 24. 0 minus 5 5s are 25. Plus 6 6 are 36 upon 30. Now calculate it. This 240 and this 36 both are of same sign. So add them. 240 plus 36, it becomes 276. Subtract this 25 because this is of different sign. 1 5 2. So you are getting 251 upon 30. And as you know that this is the improper fraction, so you can change it into the mix. 38s are 240. Subtract 1 1. So write this quotient as the whole number. Denominator will remain same. And this remainder will be the numerator. So this is your answer, 8 whole 11 upon 30. Next question, fourth part. This is minus 7 upon 12. Next is 13 upon minus 24. If you will write 13 upon minus 24 as minus 13 upon 24. Here outside the bracket there will be plus sign. So this will be minus 13 upon 24, right? Plus minus 29 upon minus 36. Minus minus will be cancelled out. So this is equals to 29 upon 36. So right here 29 upon 36, and this 5 can be written as 5 upon 1. As all these denominators are different, so take the LCM of these denominators. 12, 24, 36 and 1. 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 1 as it is. 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 1 as it is. Again by 2, 3 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 9 as it is, 1 as it is. By 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 as it is. Again by 3, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is. So the LCM is 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72. So denominator will be 72. Now to make this 72, you will multiply it by 6. Because 12 6 are 72. Multiply this numerator also by 6. Clear? To make this 24, 72, you will multiply it by 3. So multiply this also by 3. To make this 36, 72, you will multiply it by 2. 36 2s are 72. To multiply this numerator also by 2. 172. You will multiply this 1 by 72 because 72 ones are 72. So multiply this numerator also by 72. Solve it. 7 6 are 42 of minus sign minus 13 3s are 39 plus 29 2s are 58 plus 72 5s are 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36. Now these are of same sign, so add them. 39 plus 42, 9 plus 2 11, 4 plus 4 8. This is minus 81 because sign will be of greater numeral, plus these are of same sign, add them. 8 plus 0 8, 6 plus 5 11, 3 plus 1 4. Now these two numerators are of different signs, so these will be subtracted. Subtract them. 480 minus 81. 8 minus 1 7. Take borrow. This is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 as it is. Right? So this is 337 upon 72. Now you can observe that this is an improper fraction and you can change it into the mixed fraction. So change it by dividing numerator, which is 337 by 72. 72 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. Subtract it, take borrow 2, take borrow 17 minus 8 9, 12 minus 8 4 and 2 minus 2 0. 4s are. So write this quotient 4 as the whole number. Denominator will remain same and this remainder will be the numerator. So what is your answer? Your answer is 4 whole 49 upon 72. So students, in today's class we have discussed from question number 1 to question number 3. Remaining parts of these questions you will practice yourself. In next class we will start with the question number 4. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.